Hi guys, today we're going to draw Han Solo from Star Wars. That Funko Pop of Han Solo is from the Han Solo movie, Solo. You should watch it. It's a super cool movie. And comment below what your favorite Star Wars movie is. Mine is the new, 4, 5, and 6. So, let's start. You should check out some of my other Star Wars video drawing tutorials, like C-3PO and Darth Vader, Boba Fett, Chewbacca. Who else? R2-D2. Yoda. I did tons. Comment below who's your favorite Star Wars character. Mine is the droids. If you don't know what Lego Masters is, it's a pretty cool Lego show and they have to build. There's Lego Masters UK. It's one of them. There's tons of Lego Masters, but I'm pretty sure the one I like is UK. Episode 9 is Star Wars, C-3PO, R2-D2, and BB-8 come. Is that insane? But it's not like the real BB. Maybe. I don't know. The movie Solo is the origin of Han Solo. How he gets the Millennium Falcon. A Dio from Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker, he's hilarious. I'll show you him. I have a Funko Pop of him in this Funko Pops in Star Wars in the Snow. That's my Funko Pop of Dio. I got it at the movie theater when I watched the movie. And now the final touch, adding the skin. I don't make the skin that much because I don't really have a peach marker, but today we're using pencil crayons. We don't use pencil crayons that much up here. Oh, I never did. You know what's crazy? I never did the Cyborg Batman version one yet. Sorry. Subscribe, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. Comment below if you want me to do like the Cyborg Deck Batman version drawing tutorial. Bye. Bye.